What is goody, my gang? What is goody, my gang? Hope you're doing well, Dorito. Hello. I think I am getting like a really delayed headache now. I had like a pang of pain like a couple hours ago.
Drink, bitch!
And now I have a headache behind my right eyeball. They switched sides. Also, I'll hydrate with coffee, Carlos.
Posture check, bitch.
I got you. We got the posture checked. We're looking good. But yeah, I'm gonna be working on my game. I probably won't be talking too much because I have a little bit of a headache coming on. So yeah, I might not talk as much. We'll see. There we go. Okay. I just want to start working on some sort of skill point thing. The first thing I want to do though is change that. Oh, I just called it game. But yeah, obviously we have leveling now, and someone came up with the idea of putting the skill tree kind of thing like here or something on the wall. And I think that was a really good idea. So I'm gonna see if I can get something going. Maybe like a door. Ooh, I like that idea. Let's do this. I also want the particle effect though. Yo, what's up, David? Hope you're doing well. I just want it to be known that I might not talk as much because I also like want to lock in, but I also kind of have a headache coming on. So yeah, not like really bad. It's just behind my right eyeball. Yeah. Femi. We got like slang now. Femi. That's some pretty elite slang. I hope you're doing well, Armin. Hope you're doing well. Skill room, maybe? Monday was terrible. I had 10 minutes to sleep, 3 cookies eaten, 4 missing assignments. Jesus. I'm sorry to hear. That sounds like quite a mess. Hope things are better now. Nice thumbnail on YouTube again. I just reused the one from the other day. I'm gonna be honest. I didn't really feel like I didn't feel like doing anything too crazy. Okay, let's do create folder skill 3. Let's do enter. Sorry, let's do skill room entry. Looks good either way. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just adding some level up rewards now. So this is going to be skill room Entry. The capital S? Yep. So this, you don't need that. Skill room, text, and then skill room particle. At least R6 came out on mobile. How's that gonna run? I feel like that would run really bad. Why do I have a game object and a text? Oh, okay, I know why. So I don't need that. Don't need that. And then I need that. And then get rid of that. Actually, let's just do this. And then that. And then we will actually do this. And then if the player is in range, room text to enter skill tree. Okay. I can do that. Here you go. Always got to try and like slide them under my headphones. Chippy chippy chappa chappa. Something like that. The flag is there, Rage. What will be your excuses? Is that a good excuse? Does that help? Oh, what's happening? What's happening? Help. Okay. Ending and then play. Room. And then play. And then this will be skill room. That'll be skill room. Text. Only for now. It won't be accepted next time though. That's okay. I can deal with that. And then this will open skill tree. Okay. So public void open skill tree. Hope you're doing well, baby turtle. I'm just working on my game right now. It's going pretty well. Hope you've been well. So whenever you go near this new door, I need to make it so this door only spawns. So this will be skill room ready. So if the player is in range, okay, here's an idea. Public game object. If I do that, it's not going to be able to. I have to put this on a separate object. Yeah. Yeah. Or. Okay. Player is in range and. skill room ready. So okay, hold on. Let's do this. And then let's do if... Oh, I should do this the other way around. If skill room ready. Oh, I went too far back. Skill room ready. If the skill room's ready, player in range. If the skill room is ready, you can then do that. On start, this should be false. Free room is amazing. Free run is peak. You should go watch it. And then if the player is in range, it does all of this. Okay. Debug.log. Hi. Okay, so now we need to call this from... Okay, so what we want to do is we want to make a public static skill room entry instance. And on public void awake, we want to assign that instance. And we're going to do a cool little thing where we can take this and go to the result screen manager. Actually, no, we want to go to the level manager. Manager, oh, sorry, it's in player levels, I'm a level manager. Hi, Surf. Sorry for calling you Slush last stream. It's hard to remember. What's up, Lucky? Hope you're doing well. Wall. And then we want it so that... Although we can do this in here, actually. No, because it won't be assigned. That's tricky. I want to do it in here. No, here. I think. No, I can grab the player prefs. I just need to... So I don't even need an instance here. Because I can just grab the player prefs on void start. I just need to do this. Okay. Or would I just do player press dot get in player level? Let me try this. Hey Rage, hi Shimmy, hope you're doing well. Stream funnel might be the greatest thing ever, really. Why can't I redeem cat ears? Because I'm already wearing them, silly. I'm glad people are enjoying their thumbnail. I'm having a thought here. I might actually just be able to do... Okay. If perma level manager dot instance dot player level is more than or equal to 1. Skill room ready equals true. And then if skill room ready, do that. Last time I coded was in RenP. I have never heard of that. This is C#. currently what I'm doing is I'm basically making it so that as soon as the player levels up one time, they're able to access the skill tree, which is going to be like a separate room off to the side here. That's the idea anyway. So I should automatically be like level something because of player press. I'm making a target shooter roguelike. So yeah, that should... Okay, that works. That's good. Oh wait, no. That means it has the wrong script. There we go. Player settings. Skill room text should be the canvas, main UI, ending pop-up, copy paste. Thanks, Unity. Skill room pop-up. Skill room text. Sorry. We go here. Skill room text. Skill room particle needs a capital there. Basically, to explain more about the game, it's heavily inspired by games like Risk of Rain 2, Balatro, Clover Pit, and the general goal is, you know, you've got these targets approaching you throughout the game, and you just want to kill them as soon as possible, and then every few waves you get to go to the shop and buy trinkets, which will make you more powerful. And currently I'm adding a full leveling system where as you play more, you will be able to get buff that will persist throughout every single run. So you're going to spend like skill points that can give you like, you know, permanent reload speed or permanent faster shooting, something like that, where you can forever have faster like weapon handling and stuff like that. Right now I'm just implementing the actual skill tree itself. Wait, no, the particle is here. From text. And then it doesn't actually have an animator on it. Does this? No, it should be on the text, right? Yeah. So why does this one not work? Interesting, it doesn't have... Oh wait, no, I'm in the wrong place. Because yeah, this also has the animator. It's interesting how the animator doesn't work. It should. Item desk fade. I might be playing the wrong thing. Oh, I'm not actually playing the animation, that's why. But yeah, roguelikes are really fun. Will you also make a horror game? Probably not. I'm not really interested in horror games. I've always been interested in roguelikes. Loki would be tough if you had released the game for your Discord to playtest. I wouldn't do that probably ever. Or if I would, I would only do it for members or Patreon members, because I did actually release one of my older games for Patreon members only. Fun fact. I'm not confident enough in my game development skills or anything like that yet. I'm just not really interested in horror games. Because I'm not very good at artistic stuff, and horror games require a lot of that. And I know you're going to say, like, no, it doesn't. Like, it does. It does. 7. This was what I was worried about. Okay, let's do... public int player level check. Okay, 1 sec. I just said I'm not really like interested in horror games because they require a lot of art work stuff to make them work. Like horror games are actually pretty simple, but they're very artistic leaning. And before you say like no, you can still do one. No, you need very good like artistic vision to be able to get a horror game to work properly, and that's always been literally my absolute weakest thing. I'm terrible with art. I've never been good at it. I don't like it. I don't find it fun. I just like making mechanics, and roguelikes are very mechanic heavy. Just in nature. Like, they're just very mechanic heavy. What does the Blahaj do? He slows down time. He's pretty cool. He's pretty awesome. He's basically a Sandevistan, but way less cool. Although even the Sandevistan in Cyberpunk is actually really lame compared to the anime one. The anime one is like 100 times cooler. And I wish there was a mod in Cyberpunk to make it so if you're using a Sandevistan, you leave after images behind you, so you can turn around and see them. I wish there was a mod for that. And it's crazy how there isn't yet. It's actually messed up. Anyway. Technically, the player's always level 1. So it should actually be more than 1. I want Edge Runner Season 2. I know, right? Sandevistan is so arse in the game. It used to be, but it's actually really good now. Ever since that massive update that happened like a year or two ago. I always run the Sandevistan and then spec into handgun stuff, like revolvers. I forget everything because I haven't played in a while. But I normally go to get Johnny's gun and then just Sandevistan, and then I'm just dodging around, like one-shotting everyone in the head. It's really fun. One thing I don't like about Cyberpunk is every time I try and go for like an assault rifle or SMG build, it just feels really bad. But yeah, the Netrunner, I did do a Netrunner build. It's actually quite fun, yeah. Like just running around and like clicking onto someone's head and then clicking like a fucking 50 different things and then just watch them explode in front of you. And it's funny because the only other game that's ever given me that kind of feeling is Watch Dogs 2. Because in Watch Dogs 2, you can basically hack like all of the cars and stuff and make them like crash. And it's crazy how no game has ever done that ever since, until like Cyberpunk, where you can do it like all on people. And it was like really, it was just really surprising to me when I saw it, and I was like, bro, this is literally just Watch Dogs 2. But like you can do it on people and it's like actually viable. I still need to finish the Cyberpunk DLC, Phantom Liberty. Anyway, game dev. Welcome Mole. I think this should work now. It should grab my player level from player press, which is basically an external thing that saves it. I don't even know what that is. Okay. Wait, so how come that animation worked, but the other one never does? That's interesting. Interesting. Okay, here's one thing. If player in range, do all of that. Else, if not player in range, I want it so this will turn off. So it's not on the screen for ages. And I need to do that for the ending trigger too. But instead it's called ending pop-up, I believe. Weird how the animation doesn't work for that one. On topic of the art, I have 400 hours in AC Sprite, and I'm terrible at pixel art. I only know Libra Sprite. Is it true to highs give you a coding skill boost? I mean, I never take them off, so I wouldn't know. This is true, though. They're just really comfortable. So how come this works but the other one doesn't? Am I assigning the wrong thing? Skill room text. Ending pop-up, which is the same as the text. Oh. Yeah, I'm assigning the wrong thing. Libra sprite is basically a sprite? Yeah, okay. It sounded like they would be similar. Also, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I just completely have always just given up with art. It's just not for me. There we go. Boom. And then it will... So yeah. And the debug.log, you can see it did work. Pause the game. You see it says, hi! Hi! There you go. Imagine trying to make a gun only for the fucking Minecraft silverfish riding a villager, riding a cat, riding a horse that appears out of nowhere and just sang at the speed of light. What is this fever dream? What the fuck? Libraspite's awesome. My thought process now is, do I want the skill tree to be a separate scene, or do I want it to be like a UI thing? I think both are valid, and it would be easier to have a UI thing. So maybe I don't want the door. I like the idea of having a door here and a door here, though. Well, that could be the bad ending. That could be the good ending. Oh, yeah, that's kind of gas. I don't know. I don't really want to. I'm having a thought right now. Okay. I'm just trying to think how I want the player to actually access the skill tree. Because I was going to do it on this wall, but I just don't know how I would visually show that. I could have a... Do I have space for another desk and a monitor? Make them zoom into the monitor and then show it on the monitor? Do a canvas on the monitor? Okay, let's get rid of what we just did. I know that's not fun, but I'm having a thought. Do I have a monitor model anywhere? I don't think I do. That doesn't really fit, to be honest. It would if I did that, but I don't really want to do that. So that's gonna... Loki want to make a shooter game where the guns don't gun and instead do some random thing that might take a while, but it shouldn't be that complicated. Okay. Okay. I mean, I could just do a button and then make it on screen. That would be a bit more within my game scope. It's kind of lame, but it's probably a better idea. So what I'll do... have this like here. And then press F2 Open the skill tree. Yeah. Gotta go sleep now. Bye. Have a wonderful sleep. Oh, right. It's annoying. Just gotta move this. There we go. I should have been in 2D view, really. Or, not 2D view, but this view. It looks fine. It's just that the text is slightly off. Why is the text like that? Well, that would be why. Okay. Press F to open the skill tree. It's not going to be on F, but I just want it to be like at least somewhat clear, you know? Because I was going to just do the door, but I think I want the door to be how you get to the other ending, maybe. I'm not sure. Because the game was actually originally meant to have 2 endings, and I'm still, like, not sure if I'm going to do it or not. I'm, like, still on the fence about that. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure where to put this. I mean, like, do I want to have 2 endings still? Maybe not. Maybe the way I have it, I don't want to have 2 endings, because that doesn't really fit anymore. We look alike, though. Oh my god. Oh my god. We do. Let's go. I love your profile picture. Based profile picture. Thank you, Soap. I appreciate it. Or soap. Wait, it's kind of like soap, but it's like goofy. What's up, Emma? I hope you're doing well. I like yours too. Yeah. I've been using it for a while now. It's like I put it everywhere. I love it so much. Venti's so cool. Welcome, Emma. Welcome back. That's okay. That's a little high. Character's kind of short. What if your character is a femboy? Holy. Oh, well, Emma, my head hurts too, so I guess we're twinning. So yeah, press F to open the skill tree. And then I need it to have the glow. You did indeed to make. C-make. Close enough. This is canon now. Skill tree. I think I'm committing to not having 2 endings anymore. Wonder how that looks. Are they, Emma? Are they? Because I think they are. Okay, that looks a bit crazy. It needs some sort of light source. Haha. Hold on. Something to look at. Vending machine? Hold on. Oh my god, I have a purpose for the vending machine finally after all this time. No way. The vending machine will be the skill tree. Oh my god, it all makes sense. You're not getting a golden scar, it's not happening. Sorry, we can't afford that, we broke. But I do finally have a purpose for the vending machine. What? Oh my god. What just happened? 5? Thank you, C-Make. I still can't probably even get your name right. Thank you. 5 gifted? What? Okay. Emma got one, Lucky got one. Wait, everyone got... Wait, literally everyone that's active got one. That's awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it. Oh my god. And it literally went to all of like the most active people, I swear. Snacks, Lovero, Emma, Lucky, and Amdri. Most of you are literally here right now. Oh my god. And you started a hype train record. Wait, what? You started a record hype train already? What? You broke the hype train record immediately. Oh my god. Thank you. Yeah, that's so awesome. Was it you? Thank you. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you, thank you. I'm gonna keep saying thank you until it's annoying, by the way. I do appreciate it. Oh yeah. Why is it always on the most random stream? Oh my god. I'm just like barely even here. Just like developing. What happened? A very, very wonderful person by the name of C-Make gifted 5 subs. Thank you. Also, I took these off, by the way. They actually like hurt my head if I wear them too much. Ah. I can't get them back on. There we go. No, Emma, this is not a competition. How else can I thank you? Thank you for the subs. Do I have to like write your name on a whiteboard and then like pretend to drop the pen and like bend over like right in front of the camera? 500 subs equals like hot tub stream type shit. Thank you though. Thank you. What did I just join? I'm sorry, Swift Dev. I'm sorry. Nah, the only thing that I would ever do is like cosplay thing, like stream. I'm just trying to, now I can't think. Oh my god. This is like a distraction. I forgot what I was doing. I'm gonna attach the script to this vending machine and make it, no, I guess I would want to do it on a game manager or something like of the sort. Yeah. So let's do this. Let's have this. It will turn this off and on. Yeah. So let's create an empty up here. Let's do skill 3 manager. Don't. Okay, Swift Dev. Okay. Let's get this. And then assign the player settings. And let's have a look at the script again. So we don't need. Bro. Oh my god. Thank you, Emma, for the 5 gifted. It went to a Catboy. Oh my god. Peak. Level 3 hype train? We're going new places. What the hell? I don't even know what hype trains do. Wait, unlockable emotes? Wait, we have unlockable emotes. We unlocked emotes that I don't even know about. Huh. C-Make is the conductor, guys. Thank you, Emma. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, it literally said Emma is paying forward the gift they got from C-Make to the community. That's kind of cool. Thank you for the 5 gifted. I appreciate it. On my fucking level, I deserve a golden scar. How do I give you a golden scar? I don't know how to give you a golden scar. Here's 1 golden scar. Imaginary golden scar. There you go. You know, I should do like a thing. Okay, I'm not gonna give you mod, but I can give you the Discord role if you want. For members. If you want. I did not get a single sub, but wait, you didn't get one? What? That's crazy. Can I give you one for free? How are you not in the Discord? What's happening? I mean, you don't have to be in there if you don't want to. How do I gift someone a sub? Oh, I don't get free subs to gift? Really? YouTube lets me. Wow, I can't even gift you a sub. YouTube lets me gift like 10 subs a month or something, like for free. Twitch doesn't. Wow. If you have a sub and you want the members role, just ping me. In general. Okay. Well, if you guys want the roles or anything, you can have it. Emma, whoa, what is this beef? SMH, guys, you should be nice to each other. You should be kind. He started it. Let me give this a... Yeah, oh my god. Did you really just do 1 more? No, okay, that sounded crazy. I meant, is it just to stay above? Or, wait, no, okay, it's 9 versus 5, okay. Wait, that came out so wrong that it was like, you only gave me 1 sub? Like, that's not what I meant. No, don't do that, Emma. I meant as in, like, I thought that it was 8 subs versus 9, so they gifted, like, 1 more. Oh, no, sorry, 9v9. So I thought they gifted 1 more to just go over. But it's actually 9v5v1. Amdri has 1 gifted, I think. How much does... Yeah, it probably costs a lot. But thank you for the gifted sub, Amdri. To Samek. That's really nice, actually. I see what's happening here. Also, that leveled up us to a level 4 hype train. I still don't know what it means, but... Excuse me? 8.6k? What? Holy shit. Sweden, that's crazy. Swedish people are nice. And they're so tall. What is going on? Like, there's so much. I haven't been able to finish my thought that I had like 10 minutes ago. I was saying, there's like a lot of like game devs where they'll do like a development stream, and because they're very popular, they'll have like a Patreon role, and if you get the role, you can get your name put in the game for being like a supporter. Like for example, Verco, they are making Transit, which is a Call of Duty Zombies map, and they're remastering it all by themselves on Black Ops 3. And anyone that supports them by donating gets their name on a wall in the map. And I was just thinking stuff like that's really... Oh! I didn't... Can I finish my sentence? Oh my god. guys, can we can chill, guys. It's okay. Thank you, David, for the 5 gifted. I appreciate it. Guys, we're at 30 out of 20. Like, what's happening? No, don't. What do you mean you're gonna get a loan? No. Yeah, let me just call up the bank and get a loan. They'll be fine with this, guys. I need to gift a streamer, guys. I need a loan to give to a streamer. Oh my god, thank you, Swift Death, for the gifted sub. What the fuck? Guys, crazy idea. How about you get your own sub and then stop? No, how about you no subs? That's like maybe better for your wallet. No, I didn't say. Oh, Swift Death. I wasn't saying I was doing that. I meant I thought it was cool, and it would be like an actual what's it called? Like a Patreon tier. Okay, you're messing with me. Okay, I was actually worried for a second. I thought I'd have to like find out how to refund you. Like if I were to do something like that, I would only do that if I became more focused on game development. Like for my whole YouTube channel. And at the moment, like I don't really show that stuff off at all. Maybe if I decided to release Rogue Range, the game I'm working on, and people were interested, maybe then I would do stuff like that, but I don't want to do stuff like that right now. Because that's not like the kind of stuff that I want to push forward. If you get what I mean. I'll give you the role, Emma. I got you. Just ping me in general or message me on Discord so I know what your account is. Because I don't know what your account is. Yeah, so like we unlocked like emotes. I don't know like if we have them forever or... Oh my god, the hype train goes up to like 100 and Neurosama's on there. Bro. I guess it makes sense because didn't they have like the hype train record? Guys, can we get to level 100 hype train? Guys, just gift like 100 more. Okay, I'm joking. Don't do that. I am accepting your message request now. I clicked ignore. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I did not mean to click ignore. That was an accident. I saw the account name. It's okay. I misclicked. I swear. My Discord is glitching out. Me. Okay, I'm giving you the role. I give this one to people that either have a YouTube membership or Twitch. No, accident. It was an accident. Yeah, someone just donate like £1 billion. What's up, SYL? Welcome. I hope you're doing well. Twitch is going crazy right now. Thank you everyone for the gifted. I really do appreciate it. We can stop now. It's okay. We can stop now. I need to actually like do things. I'm not waiting 4 days. You know what? I'm gonna die within 4 days in game. I'm gonna mysteriously vanish. I mean that is true, Samake. Well, okay, technically not, because I think I have to wait like I think I have to wait a month for the paycheck to come from Twitch. Or it's either a month or no, I think YouTube's the one that does it on like the 10th or something. And then Twitch is just like every time you hit it, you have to wait a month. Because there's like a payment threshold where you need to earn a certain amount to actually get it. Because I know on YouTube, to get paid, you have to earn £60. I think it is £60. And then you get the paycheck come through. It's because, you know, if a bunch of people make like bot accounts and they get monetized and they earn like 3 pence, YouTube doesn't want to be sending them 3 pence because that's like ridiculous. So you have to earn a minimum of like £60. The hype train's gonna die, guys. The hype train's gonna die. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's gone. Hype train success. Chest? What the fuck? What is a hype chest? Rage out emo? What? What is this? Bro, you guys got me a loot box. Did everyone get that? We got like a loot box. What the hell? Cool. Okay. Choo choo, I guess. What? What? Okay. We got a new emo, I think. It says limited time. Wait, hype chest on the way. Wait, does everyone get hype chests or? Okay. What's up, Brave Dark? Hi! I hope you're doing well. It's nice to see you. I'm making a target shooter roguelike. I've been a bit distracted by Twitch because they gifted like a bunch of subs. But yeah, I'm making a target shooter roguelike where basically you got these targets that get stronger over time, but the player can get trinkets that make them stronger over time. And then they'll also level up after every run and they'll get like XP. And with that, they can purchase permanent upgrades that are... Oh my god. Are we serious? Thank you, sir, for the 10 gifted YouTube memberships. Oh my god. What is going on? Bro. I don't even know what to do now. I think they are cheaper on YouTube, right? YouTube's like £2, Twitch is like 4. I forget. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. I've tried to make a rogue like a few years ago, but random generation was too much. Yeah, I'm not doing random generation. I'm basically everything is set like to be the same. Because trying to randomize stuff is really hard. It is. You have to learn a lot for it, so I'm just not doing that. Thank you, everyone. Fucking hell. Oh my god, Nagi got one. Dragon got one. Dragon's really cool. Thank you for another 10. Fucking hell. Guys, can we chill? I don't want anyone to like go too crazy. Like, you should spend your money on an ad campaign to try and get like Mr. Beast or something. Yeah, no, Emma, don't. Just don't. No, that's too much. Keep it like a steady influx of like funny. 200 is insane. I'll actually like panic. I'm already panicking. Oh my god, so much. I don't know how I don't want this to be in the way, but again, thank you, sir. I really appreciate it. Yeah, well, I want everyone to know that like I appreciate it, and then I feel like I don't appreciate it enough when people keep doing it. So then I have to appreciate it more. But like I can't keep appreciating because I just say thank you, and then it's like, okay, that's like you can't appreciate more than appreciating. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Appreciate harder. Well, I can do that. I don't think I'm getting any work done today. I literally have done like 2 things. I'm still trying to think how I even want to do the skill tree, because I just realized it might be in the way like this. Yeah, well, I guess I need to do more of these streams, huh? I just had a thought though, because well, no, I guess it wouldn't be popping up. No, this is fine. I just don't want it so the player accidentally presses F in this area during a wave and it brings up a skill tree. So maybe I should make it so the skill tree can only be brought up when you're not in a wave. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. So that means I need the public wave manager, wave manager. So if the player is in range and wave manager dot wave. Oh, do I have a wave in progress flag? I need to check. Script.
Good boy.
Thank you. What was I doing? My Visual Studio crashed. What the fuck? Emma's crashing out and so is Visual Studio. Oh my god. Okay. Like, what are the odds of that? As soon as Emma says they're crashing out, Visual Studio crashes. Yeah, even Visual Studio has had enough of the antics. Oh my god. It actually crashed. Like, you saw that, right? Like, the screen went black. Guys, it's okay. You don't have to compete. Make love, not war. So every time you enter the... No, because the shop is only entered on certain waves. Where am I handling the end of a wave? That's in the target spawner, I think. Enemy... Target spawner. If you handle the spawning here... I need to see where I'm incrementing... Where am I calling this? Handle wave. I mean, if you want me to put them back on, I can, because Lucky already... I'll just put them on. Peepo sad. There you go. You can hear them. I was trying to remember which script was handling the wave increments. It should be this one, though. I just don't... Where is this getting called from? Apart from start. Thank you, Swift Dev. I literally can't, like, function right now. Here, if current targets 0. It's here. Wave manager dot handle wave. Current wave plus plus. Updates the text. So this is in between a wave. So I would add a bool, right? And it'll say public bool wave in progress equals false. Okay. And then here, wave in progress equals false. Actually, I can get rid of this and just make it so on void start, wave in progress equals false. And then every time I spawn things, the wave is now in progress. So it would be in handle spawning, I believe, because yeah. So I'm doing this, but now I can do... I mean, it's fine to do that. But it makes more sense to now do wave manager dot wave in progress. Sorry. Equals false. So if you press the wave key and there's no wave in progress, it will then handle spawning. And wave manager.wave in progress would then equal true, which would mean you go back to the what was it, the skill tree thing. Add a timer when there's less than 10 enemies in case something bugs out. What do you mean? Why would there be a timer? Well, you mean in case that somehow an enemy escaped? Because that's impossible. That would never happen. An enemy would never be able to disappear like that. The enemy gets moved forward by a constant force, and then it stops here. So because of the nature of the game, they can't go anywhere. Like, there's no enemy AI. Like, they're actually just being forced forward and then stopped. Like, it's physically impossible for that to bug out. I can show you. I'm assuming you haven't seen the actual gameplay, so it'll make sense when you see it. I need to go here, skill tree, and do public wave manager, and then on void start, wave manager equals wave manager.instance. And then if the player's in range, and wave manager.wave in progress equals false. There you go. So now it won't let you enter the skill tree when there's a wave in progress. Why are we going through couch cushions now? What's going on, guys? I don't need the animation. And I don't need this. I just need the text. I guess... I don't actually need the text. Well, no, I do. What I would do is I'd do this. And then this. I don't think I would change this then. Oh, I'd really fancy a beer right now. I'm so bad at reading C#. That's okay. I can try my best to explain stuff. Basically, what I'm doing right now is just removing some redundant stuff that I don't need anymore because I changed the way I'm doing this. Because before, I was making text pop up on the screen telling you what button to press to open the skill tree. But now I'm just physically showing it on the screen on the right. You can see it says press F to open skill tree. So now I'm just physically showing it instead of on the screen, right? And this just makes it so it takes whatever key you've set the interact key to. I do need that though. I just need to assign everything. So the skill room is this, and then the text is that, and then the wave manager is there. And if I play, what level are we? Level 1? I don't think that's correct. I don't think there's a way for me to actually... No, I should be able to see on the... Where is it? Let's see. Okay. This won't activate. But we aren't level 1. Maybe if I force it to do that? We should be like level, I don't know what level we are actually, but we should be a level more than 1, that's for sure. Because it should be saved into player prefs. Player level is 0. Press F to enter the skill tree. Well, that updated. But if I were to do that, we can see what level we are. Oh, I actually was level 1. Interesting. Does it now actually put me back into the game scene? So this is the leveling system. Okay, no. But it should save into player prefs now, right? Yeah, okay, so I'm level 3 now. So... Hi, Super. I'm about to fall asleep. 10 hours of fanboy coding to fall asleep to. So... The skill room should be ready now. It is. That's good. So if the skill room's ready, and the player is in range and there's no wave, it should open the skill tree and it should say hi. And it does. Okay, so everything works. I think I'm gonna make the skill tree cover the entire area. Because I'm gonna just do a UI thing. Well, if you do fall asleep, I hope you sleep well. And thank you for everything. I appreciate it. So this will appear once you become level 1 or more. Or sorry, level 2. Skill room ready. So it sets it active. So that means if I clear my player pref, so if it's more than or equal to 2. Are you going to make a character model eventually? Hell no. I am so bad at modeling. I actually did once make a character model, but it's very primitive and bad. And the character won't be able to see themselves anyway. They're a vampire, I guess. So... If I now... clear my player pref. There was a Blahaj all along. The Blahaj actually gets locked up in prison. So that shouldn't be there. Why? Why is it there? Skill room is ready? That shouldn't be happening. Oh, I set it to true. No. There we go. So now there should be no vending machine. Bean character. He's just a little bean. He's a cool bean. We love beans. There we go. So the vending machine is no longer here. And then when the player gets to wave 25, they can finish the game. And we see here we're level 3 now. So that will save it to player prefs. So now it's here. See? So on the next run, you'll notice that this is here. And if you press F, it will open the skill tree. Boom. I'm just hoping this is noticeable. I mean, I think it is, right? You're like, oh, that's new. Oh, I can open a skill tree. And that will be how you spend your skill points. That was trippy. What was trippy? What was trippy? Hey. Other corpses? Don't worry about it. You died. So, I now need to make a script that actually gives you skill points. Visual Studio just crashed again. What the hell? I know what you've done to that shark. Cuddled him every day of my life ever since I got him. And that's all I've ever done. Because it's the best. Yeah, Visual Studio just actually killed itself. Can't you use VS Code? I mean, I just use Visual Studio because it works fine. Until today. I don't really see the difference between Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. I'm just used to Visual Studio. I don't know why it's crashing. This is quite literally the first time it's ever crashed, and it did it twice. It's your fault. How could you? I'm gonna rename this to the skill room manager. It's just shy today. Real. Yeah, just use Notepad++. Trust. Why did my music stop? What's happening? Me when assembly. Hi, Surf. So, when you open the skill tree, it should check for skill points. I guess you would want to do it. I want you to turn this project in on paper. I mean, technically that's kind of doable because I can just compile all of the code from my repo. But like, no. 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 Wait, holy shit, I'm a genius. To turn my project in on paper, I can just print out a URL to my repo. And then they can just go to that URL, bro. It's that easy. It's on paper. I don't know what you're talking about. It's on paper. Hi! So what I'm thinking is every level will have a skill point. So I don't have internet, sir. I can send you the files on a physical drive. So I need another int. Public int skill points. Skill points equals player level. And then when you open the skill tree, I need to activate the skill menu. So public game object skill tree menu. Or let's just call it skill menu. And on void start, I want that to be off. So skill menu.set active false, but when you open the skill tree, skill menu.set active true. So it turns it on. So true. So true. Well, I just got gifted. I just hit my mic so hard. Ow. Thanks Surf for that. Surf gifted 20 memberships, I think it was. And thank you again, Surf. So yeah, thank Surf for that. And actually, I'll make a members only post just so people are aware. What if you want to do that, Samek? Unless Surf doesn't want me to announce that they were the one. I probably should have thought about that. Although it does publicly say, so. Just to ask Surf, am I okay with making a members only post telling people who gifted them the membership or not? You can do it? Okay. Membership. Thank. The 9. Why? Why is it not working? No, you can't because I say so. Joke's on you, I'm my own person and I can do what I want. Ha ha ha. Your YouTube is zoomed in? Huh? Is it? I mean, I am short-sighted. Oh, it's at 140%. I didn't even realize. So what was I doing? You open the skill tree and it opens the menu. Yeah, I love huge things. So I'm gonna go to the canvas. And then I'm gonna make a completely new empty skill tree. I'm gonna get going. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Thank you, Dorito. I hope you have a good rest of your day too. Bye-bye, Dorito. Thank you for being here. Clipped and shipped. So let's get rid of that. Get rid of that. And now we got the skill tree. So I'm gonna add a UI text for now. Skill points. Let's say skill points 100, or let's do like 10. Oh no, 5. This is just to get it working, and then I'll neaten it up later. So we'll do this like at the top. Guess we could also pause the game. Skill tree. We do this. And then that. Okay, Swift. Okay. You're British? You watch any darts? I don't know. Is that a British thing? I had no idea. So it will skill tree manager can go there. Skill menu there. So it basically just does this. It's only huge with you Brits? Wow, I never knew that. Well, yeah, I don't really. Time scale equals 0f. And then I need a bool. Public bool skill tree open. And then on start, skill tree open equals false, but when you open the skill tree open equals true. And then I'll make another void, public void, close skill tree. And that will do skill tree open equals false. And it will get rid of this. It will set the timescale back to normal. Okay. And in update, I'll do if skill tree open and input dot get e down settings dot no, it can just be escape. Keycode dot escape. Keycode dot escape. Whoops. If you press escape, skill tree close. So if the skill tree is open and you press escape, it will basically just close the skill tree. Now I need it so I don't want you to be able to pause the game while you're in the skill tree, because I think that would cause issues. It would overlay really badly. So pause UI. Go all the way to here and do. First of all, I need to assign it public skill room manager. I should rename it to skill tree manager because I'm not doing a room. Okay. Public skill tree manager, skill tree, and then on void start, skill tree equals skill tree manager dot instance, and then over here, public static skill tree manager instance, and then in public void await instance equals this, and then I go back to the pause UI, and with this instance I can basically make it so whenever we try and run the logic for the pause menu, checking if the player wants to pause the game and change their settings, if the player is inside the skill tree menu, so if skill tree dot skill tree open, simply return. And what that does is it goes to here and it checks from the top to the bottom. So it will see, okay, skill tree open. So is the skill tree open? So it will go to here and it will check if the skill tree is open. And if the skill tree is open, it stops. It will not run anything below here at all. So that means that if the skill tree is open, the player can no longer pause the game. And that's okay because the waves won't be in progress. Everything will be fine. And in order to pause the game, the player could then basically just double tap escape. Because what will happen is they'll press escape once, and that will close the skill tree. And then if they press escape again, that will then open the settings, the options menu. See? I could not do this kind of project purely because of my inability to name variables something like fucky wacky thing. Yeah, sometimes you do want to give some goofy names to stuff. I've kind of learned over time to not do that. But like one thing I used to do that was really annoying is say I had like a player setting script, right? Like I have one in this project. Basically that script just handles all of like the keybinds and, you know, like sensitivity. Like I pass through that into every script that needs it. And something weird that I used to do is if something was called player settings and I was assigning it somewhere, you would obviously need to do public player settings and then give it a name. I would do this. And now that doesn't look bad, P settings. It was a nightmare because I would be like, okay, what the fuck does P mean? Why am I shortening player, man? Like, just do player settings. It makes more sense. Sometimes you want to shorten something to make it quicker to write, but because you shorten it so much, you actually forget what it's referencing, which is really bad. And this is still something I struggle with. Sometimes I don't name things very well. Like, my trinkets, one of the things is actually named something, but it's assigned to something else. Like, it's actually the wrong way around. And, like, I remember that, but if I forgot that, that would actually be annoying, because I don't know how to go check. My old projects are unreadable because of this? Yeah. I can imagine. Yeah, it's a problem. Yeah, I should literally comment everything. Every single thing. Just every line needs a comment. Funny thing about that is I actually did do that, but that was because I was doing an assignment. And in that assignment, I went through a couple different scripts. And on one of them, it was my movement script. And I explained what every line of code did. Every line of code. Every single line of code, I explained what it did. Hey, I got a distinction, which is the highest grade. He. It worked. It was torture, but it worked. You doing this for uni too? I am, yes. Fun fact, I actually initially made this game for a game jam. And I'm actually going to see if I won next week. And my tutor said he thinks I might have won. And that's pretty cool because I worked by myself, but other people worked in teams. And we were all against each other. So if I win, that means I won by myself against teams. Which would be cool. Teams of people. But I'm going to carry this game on from the game jam into my major assignment that I just got. Because I'm allowed to. So that's pretty cool. The game's gotten a lot better in literally like a week. It's crazy. Because the version I submit for the game jam doesn't have any keybinds. It doesn't have the leveling system. And there's also a couple bugs. Like, yeah, this version is already way better. And if I get these skill points working properly, it's going to be awesome. I mean, we're almost there. You are, David. Yes, you are. I completely forgot what I was doing, to be honest. Hopefully I finished what I was doing before. I don't think I did, though. That's bad. Oh, no, I did. Okay, you can't pause while opening the skill tree. So I need to actually test that now. Let me make sure everything's assigned. Okay. How long did the jam last? I think it was like a month. Maybe, yeah, I think it was about a month. So the player does a run, these aren't there, and then they get XP, they come back, these are now there, and then it's F to enter the skill tree. F. So now the game is paused, but if they press escape... Huh. Oh, I know why I did that. I didn't assign it. Wait, I can fix this. Go to the pause UI and assign the skill tree. There we go. Fixed. A friend attended the uni where Ultra Kill's being developed. Whoa, that's really cool. I mean, yeah, I think that is one way to look at it. Like, oh my god, what's the point of them ever trying? Because GG. But also another thing is, that's so cool. Like, imagine how much you could learn from that person. Because, like, Ultra Kill is really a great game. Like, you could take so much inspiration being in the same environment as that person. I would love to be in the same environment as someone making a really sick game. Because then I would just, like, ask them for help all the time. That's, like, really good. Especially if they're, like, your friend, it's even better. Because then you're not nervous to talk to them. I don't know if that was the case, but yeah. So, F? What? That's not right. Skill tree is open. So how come that... If skilltree.skilltree open return... let me check. ChatGPT time. Just because it's a quick way to check. What the f... This should prevent the script running anything else below this, right? Okay, ChatGPT's broken. What the fuck? Well, that's fine. I'm not gonna, like, die. Oh, it's working. Your AI? I mean, yeah, it sucks, but it does have genuine use cases. Oh, it doesn't affect update. Wait, no, what? Okay, you know what? I'll just do this instead then. If skilltree.skilltree open equals false. And then I'll just nestle all of this inside. This will work. Peak game dev with Blahudge and special sock. Special sock. What? So if the skill tree is not open, it will then run the rest of this. It will be able to. Let's check. It should work now. Programming socks. I have programming socks. Fun fact, if you guys didn't, very obvious already. Why is it doing that? It shouldn't be able to do that. I'm confused. It shouldn't be able to pause the game. Wait, what? Oh my god, I might be stupid. Wait, no. Because it was like this, right? Am I stupid? The music is just a playlist on YouTube that's copyright lo-fi, a copyright-free lo-fi. Although I always get copyrighted anyway, so. Am I stupid? I might be stupid. Let's see if I'm stupid. No? Something is going awry here. I'm confused. Oh, the game's me. Oh, sorry. My bad. The thing for today, you're gonna stream tomorrow? I'm not sure because I have to make bread tomorrow. So yeah, if I do, I always announce it in my Discord. So if you're interested, then just join the Discord because I always announce it there. Where did you get the music for the game? I made it myself. Hehehehe. It's my music. You have to make bread tomorrow? Garlic bread. Yeah, garlic bread. Garlic bread. Hehe. You're using too much AI and you're probably not even including the error in your prompt anyways. I literally have opened ChatGPT one time today and that was 5 seconds ago, but okay. Garlic bread? Yeah. I have garlic bread every Friday. Because I love garlic bread. Also, there is no error. I'm not getting an error. I'm just doing something wrong. Bye, David. Have a nice rest of your day. And thank you for being here. And thank you for the gifted subs. I appreciate it. Sorry, I just arrived, I assumed. That's bad. You shouldn't judge a book by its cover, guys. Even though that's saying stupid. I only use AI when it would be faster to basically like search up something niche instead of trying to go through the documentation for half an hour. Or making a post on Stack Overflow and waiting 5 months for a response just for someone to like insult me. I was wondering, what do you think about Learn.Unity or any other guide you follow while starting game dev? I have not followed any guides. I go to university for game development. Although I have done YouTube tutorials, obviously, like brackies, right? Stuff like that. Dun, 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 dun. But yeah, I don't really use AI that much. I mean, in college, I did used to use it a lot, and it was like bad. And I kind of noticed that it was becoming bad. Because I think the thing is, it's fine to use AI if you know what it's giving you, because then it is just a tool to make you faster and better. If it's giving you stuff and you don't understand what that is, then that's bad. Because then you don't know how to troubleshoot it yourself. So in college, I got to the point where it was starting to give me stuff that I didn't understand. But now AI is what I use when I genuinely don't understand what's going on. As in, it's something that I needed to help me troubleshoot, and then I troubleshoot it, and then I look through it, and then I'm like, okay, this is why it wasn't working. This is what I did wrong. Okay. And now I understand it. But before, in college, I would just keep going into it, fixed it, and I was like, okay, cool. But now it's like a last resort when I just need it to help me. Especially when I'm like tired and I just like want to get something to work. Yeah, vibe coding is so stupid. I would never do that. That's horrible. And like, I don't know if it's weird, but like I kind of enjoy programming. That just takes the fun out of it for me. But yeah, I don't know why. This should be, if the skill tree is open, it should not run all of this. So the only other thing I can think of is the game's being paused somewhere else. I've never had an answer from Stack Overflow other than solutions to unrelated problems and people telling me I'm stupid. So yeah. Wow. It's almost like I know. It's almost like I've used it enough to know that that's exactly what it's like. Yeah, it's much easier to just Google or see if AI can help. I think like AI is terrible, but it depends on what the AI is being used for. Like generative AI is genuinely evil. It's like actually disgusting. But AI coding assisting is fine. It can be bad, it can be good. And then AI medical uses are great. They're amazing. They're always great, unless they're inaccurate. But that's always a thing. That's the same with people. It depends on what you're using it for, right? It's just kind of sad when it gets to a point where people are so against it that they only go one way. And they're always against AI for everything. Because also that's not even what AI is. AI, we haven't even got AI. It's not a thing. Like actual artificial intelligence is stupid, but everyone just calls ChatGPT AI and accepts it, even though it's not AI. Whatever. It's whatever. Like, okay. The skill tree flag is being set, so I don't know why it's not working. Because yeah, it's detecting when the skill tree is open. And then if you press escape, it will close the skill tree. Oh, hold on. It's the order of things. It's running this first, then it's running the pause UI. So then it's also pausing the game after. It's an execution order thing, I think. So when you press escape, it must be running this script first. So then it sets this to false, and then it runs this script. How would I fix that? I could change the script execution order, but I don't know if that would work when you're actually in the game. It's just going through this script first. Like once I wanted help with grabbing a thing from a process, it wasn't Stack Overflow, but basically the same thing. And they told me how to fix my desktop icons because they were bugged in my screenshot. I think if someone did that to me, I would just sigh and just turn my PC off. Like, just go to sleep for the rest of the day. That's so frustrating. I'm sorry that happens. That really sucks. That's like really shitty, actually. Is there a way to pause the script? Like when you hit escape, the other script waits? Well, that's what I'm doing. If the skill tree is open, it basically returns here, which basically means none of this runs. But the problem is, when you're in the skill tree and you press escape to close the skill tree, it closes the skill tree and then it tells you the skill tree is not open. But this runs before the pause UI. So you've pressed escape and then your input carries over. And because now you're not in the skill tree, it pauses the game anyway. At least that's what I think's happening. And I'm trying to think how I would fix that. Let me see if ChatGPT can confirm my suspicion, because that seems like the most logical thing to do here. I think I am right though. I think when I press escape, it calls the close skill tree void and then sets skill tree open to false, and the input then carries over to the pause UI script and pauses the game. Script execution order problem, question mark. The thing is, I don't know if delay would work, because delay might just make it so it just opens 5 seconds later anyway. Apparently I nailed it, and it's an input timing issue. What the fuck? That solution doesn't make sense. That's just the same thing twice. Block pause for 1 frame. I guess? Oh, I didn't even know you could do that. You can make it so for 1 frame, it will ignore a script. You can do that. I didn't know you could do that. Ooh, the classic input delay. Bro, it does do that. You're actually so right, Andrew. It literally does do that. Oh my god, you've definitely used ChatGPT, because it literally always does that shit. It's like, the classic, and then it adds like a scholar icon or like a fire icon with the solution. It's like, this is real game development, fire emoji, some bullshit. And then it will be like the solution, rocket emoji, rocket emoji. I mean, for this one, it said, you nailed it, target emoji. So yeah, it just wants me to ignore the script for a frame, which should be completely fine. This feels like a really risky thing to do, because you're literally canceling the script for a frame, basically. But in this case, that's exactly what I want. So that means I press escape, and then one of the scripts just gets ignored for a frame. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do... Fire emoji, proper fix, block pause for 1 frame. You basically just go to the skill tree, close skill tree. This should be at the bottom, right? Yeah, okay. So you add that, and then you go back to the pause UI. Add this to pause UI, and then it adds a ball, and then it sets it to true. And then that just runs that at the top. Yeah. I mean, I think this should work. If it doesn't, then I am a bit confused. But I'm pretty sure this should work. So I want this added probably just at the bottom. And then this will go right at the top of void update. Let's see. Do not bottom the code. No, the code... Wait, no. No, I would though. What if I want to? If this doesn't work, I'll be very sad. Oh wait. Did I even add everything? It says that... Oh. Wait, now I am confused. I don't get how that would change it though. It's saying this, but this is just if it's open or if it's open. What? Well, let me see if it's somehow magic. You know? I don't think this is gonna work. I think ChatGPT's giving me some balofel waffle. Yeah, it's giving me some bullshit. That doesn't make any sense. Put that back. I don't get why it's not working though. That is genuinely confusing. Because maybe it's being called from somewhere else then. That was my first theory. I think I must be pausing the game from somewhere else. Or maybe I'm checking if the game's paused to use that to pause the game. Like a switch statement. Because yeah, I'm just calling it here. And if this is running after, it's not gonna... Genuinely not sure how to fix this. Maybe I need a break. Because I am getting kind of loopy. I don't know. I don't think it's like a time thing. I think it's just I've been coding a lot recently and I'm just a bit mentally worn out from it. Maybe I'll take a break. Because that'll probably be faster than trying to force through it. Okay, I'm gonna play a little bit of Modern Warfare. So if anyone's interested, stick on by. If you're not, thank you for watching. And again, to all the people who gifted subs, thank you. I'm gonna keep streaming, but I just want to take a break now. Oh god, again? Is that a problem? I'm sorry. But we did get a little bit of progress done, despite everything. We got the skill tree coming up now. Got the base stuff implemented. Oh, I forgot to push my changes. I should probably quickly launch it and push my changes. Colon free pause. Colon free C. I'm colon free seeing right now. Actually colon free seeing. Initial skill tree implementation. One bug present. Okay. I don't think I'm going to go for camos because I don't want to do that. I want to have fun. So let's level up some battle rifles, I guess. Let's go for the TAC. What we got? We can get Sprinter Fire. Nothing there. We'll go for that. Let's go for some recoil control. And then a nice sight on it. And then maybe that. Wait, is that the furry plushie from Lethal Company? It is! I'm glad someone recognized it. It's the Zika's plush. Yeah. Someone recognized it. Let's go. It's the Z-Dog. Yeah, the Z-Dog. The Zika's Z-Dog plush. Because, I spent like a few hundred hours on Lethal Company, like 500. And I loved it. I loved playing with my friends at the time. It was a great time, online friends. And it meant a lot to me. And we don't play anymore. We don't talk anymore. But like, I really enjoyed that time. So I wanted something to remember it by because we spent hundreds of hours during the summer playing Lethal Company. And it was an amazing time. It made me really happy. And I thought to remember it, I could get the Z-Dog plushie. Because there is no actual Lethal Company plushies, but there is this. It's not because I'm a furry. I'm not a furry. I just really liked Lethal Company, and I wanted something to remember it by. Most of them don't have like a deep reasoning like that, okay? That's like the only reason I got it, because it doesn't really fit anything. Like, these I got them because I like the characters. I wanted a Fumo, so I got Flandre. I like Rem from ReZero. And then Osu merch is obvious. I have the Osu desk mat and Osu plushies because I love Osu. Kurosu is from my favorite anime, Steins Gate. And then I have a Gut from Risk of Rain 2, which is one of my favorite roguelikes. And then obviously I have a Blahaj because he's just awesome. And then I have a Firefly from Minecraft because I thought it was funny. And then I have a couple cat plushies because cats are cool. And then I have Miku and Teto because, well, Miku and Teto. That's obvious. Teto is fat and Miku's cool. You're about to have one more? What? This is ominous. Sorry. Oh. There is one that I have my eyes on that's really cool. But unless you mean the one that you already got, then that makes sense, yes. I haven't actually got the auto confirmation for that one yet, though. Also, I don't know where I'm gonna put any more plushies. Like, I'm not a furry. I don't know why people say this. There's a difference between furry and catboy, guys. Come on. Oh. Nice dolphin dive. Ah. How many boy kisser images do you have? Dozens. Dozens, at least. Oh, he's got a shotgun. I'm literally not. This is just false info. Oh, come on. I knew it would be the guy with the shotgun. That's why I closed the door. I should have kept running. Oh, people are thanking you. Let's go. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing well. Okay, this gun does no damage. The more you deny, the more you are. I mean, that's just not how that works. But I mean, you can call me if you want, but like, it's just literally not true. Like, I don't like. I'm not offended by it, but you're just saying something that's not true. Like, I say this every time, but like, I genuinely would not enjoy being a furry because, like, first of all, fursonas and stuff is not something I've ever been interested in. Second of all, literally wearing a fursuit, I would be really uncomfortable. It would be like really hot and stuffy. And like, I used to be really... Did he have to drop shot? Was that necessary? I used to be really fat, and like, I'm not really anymore, but like, I still just don't like feeling like big. As in, like, having a fursuit, it would add a lot of mass to your body because it's a massive ass fursuit. And I know being a furry isn't just wearing fursuits, but that's like the main thing. And as I said, like, I feel like the first step to that is like a fursona, right? And like, I don't have anything like that either, so. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I know you don't have to have a fursuit to be a furry. I'm just saying that I don't like that idea, and I also don't have like anything like a fursona because I'm also just not interested in that. Like, that's like the first and the last step, in my opinion. Like, fursona is like step one, fursuit is like the last step, right? Also, I'm not rich, so I hope this helps. Wow, this is tough. This is not going well. I feel like this gun just doesn't do much damage. Which is weird because it's a battle rifle. It's like a stronger AR, or at least it should be. Well, it does damage if you do that. Did you just throw a decoy? Oh, oh my god, nice nade. He had like no health. Why is this guy like actually on the decoys right now? Oh, they got a VTOL, that's bad. Nice. Nice. I don't know what we're gonna do here though, because they have a VTOL.
UAV is being refueled. RTB at this time.
Oh my god, I'm reloading. My aim.
We have secured 2 objectives.
Oh. Oh no, shotgun guy's coming. Run, 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 run. Oh my god, I got scared because I know he's gonna one-shot me and I'm too off the chopper gunner. No! Gotta play this COD. Gameplay looks so smooth. It is, yeah. I think Modern Warfare 2019 slide cancelling is fun, but it's too sweaty. And this game is like Modern Warfare 2019, but it doesn't have slide cancelling. So it's less sweaty. Oh my god. I should have 180'd. I would have died either way there, I think, though. Go on, VTOL. Oh my god, my VTOL is popping off. Thank you. Oh my god, my VTOL. Dude, this is the best VTOL I've ever had.
You're halfway to mission complete. Keep fighting.
Enemy down!
Friendly cluster mine deployed.
Wow. I walked into that. Yeah, this game does feel very nice. I think it's just simple, but it's still pretty fast-paced. So it's like, it's really understandable. It's really easy to get into.
I'm getting stitched up! Loading!
Like, there's no overcomplicated mechanics with slide cancelling, but it's still fast-paced. Because, like, you don't need slide cancelling for a game to be fast-paced. You don't need fucking wall jumping and omni movement. You don't need all of that for a game to be fast-paced. It's just like band-aid things to make it feel more fast-paced. And it just makes you spam buttons. For this game, it has pretty fast-feeling natural movement. The sliding's pretty fast as well, but it's not over the top. And also the gunplay is just really clean, because it's Modern Warfare. It always has clean gunplay.
Taking effective fire!
Basically, Modern Warfare never misses.
Cluster mine planted.
Are we for real? What? I ran out of ammo.
Enemy is taking Alpha. We are taking Charlie.
I should probably play the objective more. Oh my god, that was unlucky. I don't like this map because of that window. Fun fact. That window makes this map horrible. Because this map gets very campy if you spawn at sea, it's very unlucky.
Target eliminated!
Wow, that was lucky.
Requesting recon at my location!
Whoa. Better this than War Thunder? Isn't War Thunder like really pay to win? I heard that you have to pay for like everything.
Throwing thermite!
He's going for C.
We have secured 2 objectives.
Hit!
I don't have bullets.
UAV is being enemy is securing Bravo.
Wow. That was honestly lucky.
Changing mags!
My aim.
Loading!
They're gonna spawn at C.
Flyover!
Copy that. UAV
Yeah.
enemy is taking Charlie. We have lost Charlie.
Wow.
Objective Alpha. Objective
Okay,
Alpha
that's good. They're camping. That's good. You have to pay and play for 9,000 years to unlock the best planes? Really?
Bravo.
Well, that doesn't sound very fun.
UAV is entering the AO. We are losing Bravo.
No. It's fine. We should be able to win with one objective.
Take it back.
But I'm still gonna try and push C. Oh, my aim. I flinched too much. Let's go, B. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Throwing thermite! Stun incoming!
Wow. That's bad. He returned in kind.
They tagged
My
me!
teammate threw a stun at the guy that threw a stun.
Enemy controls 2 objectives. Push. We are taking Bravo.
Oh no.
Stun grenade!
Oh. That was a nice shot. Why did I throw a thermite? Well, oh my god, I think he died to a cluster. I threw a thermite because I always throw thermites down there just to try and... Okay.
Securing objective Bravo.
It worked. Okay, we're gonna get B. They're gonna rush down.
Got the sniper!
This is actually bad.
Secure Bravo.
That was a bad thermite.
We control Alpha.
Maybe it was an intimidation thermite, you know?
Hostile UAV active.
Changing mags!
Taking fire. I'm reloading. We are taking Bravo.
slid into it.
We've got them on the run. Keep it up. Our UAV is orbiting the area. Secure Bravo.
Activating suppression.
The enemy holds two objectives.
I'm whiffing.
One's dead.
Enemy spotted. Secure objective Bravo. Objective
Nice.
Bravo secure.
We got it. We got this. Oh, they're going A.
Throwing thermite.
Oh my god.
Their sniper.
GG. Hell yeah. Nice.
Mission is complete. Good work.
I warmed up. Gonna make myself pizza and watch some YouTube, maybe anime. Have fun. Enjoy the pizza. How fast does the earth rotate every second? Please yap to me. It's the best part of talking. Or I thought I said Autisman. Like I was gonna say peak teammate name. 0.0041. That sounds kind of fast. Moving all that land that quickly. Whoa. 30 rounds. Oh, I need that. Let's get rid of the site. Let's see how that does. I needed more ammo. It does spin 360. Wait. True. Wait, you're right. Oh my god. It like does. I kind of forgot. Wait, no. Is it not? Yeah, no, it is. Hi, Nagi. I hope you're doing well, Nagi. Welcome. You missed the game dev stuff. I'm sorry. But I was basically just implementing a skill tree. It's not finished yet. I basically just started it, but now when the player levels up, they get skill points and they're going to be able to spend them. I might need to make like a little box sprite. Oh, also my tutor taught me how to make, so you know how when you're in a game like an open world survival game and you open your inventory, when you hover over an item in your inventory, it shows a text box that describes what the item is. My tutor taught me how to do that in Unity. So I'm going to do that for the skill tree. So when you hover your mouse over to the skill tree onto like a box, it will show a description of what that does. He taught me how to do it. You can add a trigger onto a UI object, and when it's triggered, it will set it active on the UI. So it's actually the exact same as how you do it with 3D triggers on game objects, but it's just for the UI. And no one understands what I'm talking about except for me, but it's cool. It's really cool. I didn't know Unity had it, so that's why I like it.
Capture and secure the objectives. Securing objective Charlie. Bravo secure.
Really?
We control Charlie.
Oh, really? Instead of rushing B, he just stayed there. That's weird.
We are losing Charlie. We've secured the lead.
Thermite out.
Oh, this lobby's strange. Wow, that was close to see.
Enemy securing Bravo.
Throwing thermite.
We control two objectives.
That's not good.
Enemy is taking Charlie.
Enemy down.
We have lost Bravo.
Push, 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 push.
Feind ist tot. Secure Bravo.
Nice.
Your bags.
If you're talking about what I'm talking about, it shouldn't be too hard to add to. I think I understand what you meant. Are they going to make the skill tree similar to Crab Champions, where you're expected to break the game? I mean, maybe. I don't know. I mean, that's just a balancing thing. That will come naturally.
Hit.
This guy's weird. What? He's just like head glitching. Oh my god. Oh my god. He does not deserve those kills. Whatever. We'll get him back.
Objective Alpha.
There you go. I got him back.
Alpha Alpha secure. We are taking Charlie. Friendly UAV on station.
Okay, there's someone up here. Oh my god. Oh, just watched him die. Why are we camping on Dome? This feels like a really weird map to camp so hard on. Nice.
UAV in this sector. Two objectives secure.
Like, Dome's such a small map. Why would you want to camp on it?
Enemy is taking Alpha.
Oh, I whiffed that. That was my bad.
Hostile enemy in this sector.
I'm doing worse than I should be doing. Should be
We are
doing
losing
better.
Alpha.
Getting stitched up.
Oh my god, the VTOL just killed them.
Incoming. Shit.
That's crazy. Oh my god. Dude, the camping. I vote for crit chance and crit damage being broken. Oh yeah, I need to add that. I haven't even added crits yet. Oh man. I might make it so you can see your damage numbers as well. There's something I want to base it off of. The Division 2 has a shooting range, and I want to base some of it off of that. Throwing Marmite.
Our UAV is orbiting the area.
Oh my god.
Enemy is securing Alpha.
Okay.
Charlie. Enemy is taking Alpha.
He tried to do my thing.
We control all objectives. Maintain. Objective Alpha is compromised. Take it back.
Aw.
Objective Bravo is
Growing.
compromised. Take it
Growing.
back.
Oh my.
Requesting recon in my
Sorry.
location.
I mean, what? No.
Target area marked. Cleared hot.
What's happening? Ooh.
Took a
I love
round.
dolphin diving.
Enemy is securing Charlie.
I'm stuck. You're weird.
We are taking Alpha. We have lost all objectives. Failure.
Oh my god, this guy's so weird. How are we getting dominated? We have a VTOL.
Securing objective Charlie.
My VTOL.
Dropped one.
Pashnia, hostile cluster mine active. Hostile UAV overhead. Objective Charlie secure. I'm with you.
Go B.
Objective
Yes.
Bravo. Hostile launched a mortar strike. Objective Bravo secure.
I don't like this guy. He plays so weird. Okay, we're locking in. Don't be sorry. Throwing Marmite.
Stun grenade out. The mission is
I'll just keep throwing my Marmite.
We are taking Alpha. We are losing Bravo. Secure
That makes
objective
sense.
Alpha.
Grenade.
See, he plays so weird.
We are taking Bravo. Enemy is securing Alpha.
Okay, they're focused on A.
All objectives secure. Expect friendly UAV online.
Okay.
We are losing Charlie. We are losing Alpha. UAV ready for tasking.
Nice.
I'm reloading. Requesting recon flyover. Incoming.
UAV orbiting
Drop
the AO.
one.
Recon is online.
Oh my god.
Tag very
Enemy is
fast here.
taking Charlie.
Oh my god.
Friendly UAV on station.
Throwing Marmite.
We have lost Charlie. Friendly cluster mine deployed. Enemy is securing Bravo. Got one.
Be advised, UAV.
Securing Charlie. Damn it. We have lost Bravo.
Aw, he pre-fired. I think we can win this.
Charlie.
Yeah, no, we should be able to win.
All on station.
They're gonna go for A.
We control Charlie.
We should push the B. Maybe not. I thought they would push harder. They are pushing quite hard though. I think I just have a skill issue and I should try harder. Because there's only this one guy pushing C. There's one guy here at B, but if you can... I thought that was a dead body. Why are they not pushing A? I'm confused. They should be pushing A, because we're focused on B. Maybe I should just defend A then.
Secure 2 objectives. Hostile UAV in the sector.
This seems doable. Oh my god! I was not expecting that. My teammate. He's dead. Yeah, I guess we just defend A until the end. Haha. Nice and weak now. Oh my god, it's the same guy. That guy's always in like a head glitch camp. Or just camping in general.
Cluster mine detected.
They might push around to C.
UAV is orbiting the area.
No, they're still pushing A. Okay, this game's just gonna slowly be won then. Like, it's kind of boring. I want them to do a big push. I'll just do the push for them. Against them, I guess.
Friendly VTOL inbound.
Good, my teammate's
Taking
dead.
Alpha.
I was hoping my teammate would cover.
Mortar strike incoming. We control all
Requesting recon
objectives.
at my
Maintain
location.
the pickup.
Copy that. UAV is on station.
Well, I did it.
Ground, don't stop. We are losing Alpha. Enemy is securing Charlie.
They got C, but we dominated them for a little, so GG.
Objective Charlie is compromised. Take it back.
Oh my god. Why did I just... I had like a PTSD flashback while he shot me.
Victory secure. Good fighting.
I had 6 cats. One of my teammates had 7, to be fair, so I actually had a good team. That was a fun match. This gun feels a little bit better now. I felt like it did no damage before, but maybe I was just like warming up and I sucked. Skill issue. Every gun does good damage if you just get every shot a headshot. 10,000 IQ. Hi. Raw.
Rar.
Raw. So true. Thank you for these words of wisdom, Samek. Free dopamine. Thank you. Well, I've almost got this maxed out now. I might as well go for gold. What map we got? Please be my favorite one. Okay, this one's okay. Actually, this one's kind of fun. I actually like the way this map plays. Bum 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 bum. Good luck, have fun. Crouchy crouch? Anyone? ET? Oh my god, ET? No one crouchy crouch, wow.
Capture and secure the objectives.
I think I'm gonna rush down
Securing
here.
Charlie.
Throwing thermite!
Throwing Marmite. They got a better spawn than us.
We've lost Bravo. Charlie secure.
What? Bartender? I never pass vibe checks.
Thermite out!
Oh god. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god! I panicked. I panicked so much. I was running from a guy. I was running into a guy while getting shot, running away from a guy.
Alpha secure.
I didn't know what to do. And then I started getting aggressive. Because a lot of the time, if someone damages you, they don't expect you to push them back really quick. So it's actually a good strat to do that.
Enemy securing Charlie.
Sometimes it doesn't work. We should be pushing B here.
Enemies taking Charlie.
We should let them get C and use it to push B.
Secure Bravo.
Oh my god.
Securing objective Charlie. Bravo secure.
I don't even know where the enemies are.
Our UAV is orbiting
They're
the
somewhere.
area.
Oh, they're there.
Control all objectives.
I now know where the enemies are.
Enemy securing Bravo.
Wow, I just got melted.
Objective Bravo.
Oh, well, to make, I should be passing right now then, because, like, I'm wearing that. Oh my.
We're losing Alpha.
This way.
We've lost Alpha.
Wait, that was actually kind of goated.
Securing
The best snapshot ever. Okay, he's a bot. So is my teammate, but hey. A bot for a bot, I guess.
Line deployed. Objective Bravo secure.
Oh god.
We're losing Charlie.
Oh. Nice, Molly, but you... Oh my god! There's the bot. I was supposed to wear them for a cooking stream today. What?
Quick fix.
Cooking stream, that's cool.
Be advised, UAV
How come it got cancelled? What is the bot doing? This guy and his mollies, man, I gotta respect it. I gotta respect that.
We've lost Charlie.
Let's try something.
We're taking Charlie.
I regret trying it. Oh, I'm sorry people dropped out. It always sucks when that happens. That happened to me a lot when I was trying to play Lethal Company back in the day. Like, I'll try and organize a big, like, thing and people would just not show up. It was really sad. So I'm sorry that happened to you. Oh. Oh no, it's this guy from the last game. Oh, wait, is that the guy I've been calling a bot? That's kind of funny. This is like accurate.
Taking Bravo.
Okay.
Taking effective fire!
Oh. See, they don't expect you to push. That's what I'm saying. Oh no. That's my teammate. Dude, I'm literally your teammate. Teammate trying to laser me. Teammate's one of the ops. Executioner? What?
Taking Charlie.
What?
Losing Charlie.
Oh my god.
Covering your six.
Enemy securing Charlie. Hostile cluster mine active. Objective Charlie compromised. Get it back.
Look around!
Securing Alpha.
Yeah, we should be going for A. Oh my god, that molly was amazing. S tier molly. He is using it. He is using an executioner, I think. The Magnum, right?
Thermite out!
We need to get a home objective, like now. We're in trouble. Oh my god.
Friendly UAV online.
What is that? You creature.
Charlie. You're halfway to the Stay sharp. sharp.
Bro gets shot and turns around and puts down into purple cover.
Cluster mine set.
Like, I can only call him a creature for that. Oh, the shotgun. I didn't know it was the guy with the shotgun. If I knew, I wouldn't have pushed. I would have gone the opposite way.
Objective Alpha secure.
Ooh. Whoa.
Enemies taken out.
Amazing voice line. Oh, he got a VTOL and we're all at B. That's sad. I feel bad. The enemy got a VTOL, but it's useless.
Objective Alpha is compromised.
Because we're literally all at
Get
B,
it
so
back.
it can't see us. It might be able to get me through here, though. Ooh.
Attack me good! Ugh, I need to heal up fast!
I heard him. Ah, nice. Wow.
Enemy UAV active.
We might be in trouble if we don't hold a spawn objective. How are we holding B so well, but nothing else? Oh my god. I was trying to throw a thermite at the other guy,
Holds 2 objectives.
but he was right in front of
Securing
me.
Objective Alpha. Hostile cluster mine detected.
What is this gun? Excuse me?
Alpha. Enemy securing Bravo.
Is this gun insane, or what?
We're taking
Is he using a
Bravo.
broken gun or something?
Hostile UAV in the area.
Oh my god.
All objectives secure. Hold what you got.
Did you see that gun though? It destroyed me. How? Wait, what? We're dominating now? Oh, nice.
Enemies taking Bravo. Enemies taking Charlie.
Get angriest so the bells jingle more? Are they actually? Grr.
Charlie.
No, we're losing C.
Enemy UAV.
I'm gonna keep going for B. My teammate's rotating to C. Oh my god, they covered it. Wait, my team's actually better than me. Like, I'm actually bad.
Got your back.
Taking fire!
Enemies taking Alpha. We control 2 objectives.
Okay.
Keep it together,
Enemy took
Luna!
Alpha. We're taking Bravo.
Enemy down!
He walked into that.
Thermite out!
Oh my god, my aim. I knew he would be there, bartender, but he was in a slightly different spot.
Hostile cluster mine deployed.
That's unfortunate. What? What is this footstep audio? No, I'm double checking. Oh, I swear I heard footsteps over here.
Enemy
That was
UAV
so
overhead.
weird. It must have been a bug.
Enemy controls 2 objectives. Get
Or I'm
after it.
schizo. That's also likely. Oh. Huh? Excuse me? What? What do you mean? I got banned, guys. Sorry, I was too good. What just happened? I've never had that happen before. Great game. It works very, very stable, very good. We would have won that match as well. Sorry guys, I've been using hacks this entire time. Mans is cheating. Actually, every jingle was me toggling. I actually used I used my microphone with audio detection software, and every time it jingles, I toggle my hacks. It's completely undetectable. Genius. No one would know. Ever. I'm a pioneer in my field, okay? Let me cook. Let me cook. I go to an esports tourney and they think I've got cat headphones. Little do they know, it's how I toggle. It's how I toggle my Raspberry Pi, which injects my mod menu into the game that gives me hacks. Okay, I think the Modern Warfare 2 servers went down. Like, actually. Okay. I guess we're hopping on 2019. Good thing I didn't refund it. But I'm gonna get hacked on. There's like so many hackers on that game. I mean, I'll try Modern Warfare 2 one more time, but I'm also launching 2019 right now. Oh, shit. Oh, no, okay, it's fine. Wait, huh? I'm confused. One sec. Yeah. Oh, no, I'm in. What? I just launched 2019 as well. That's weird. Okay. Let's go. Did I get the levels? Nice, I got the levels. 50 round drum. I guess that's all I want. What they got for me in the store? I bet my game won't crash in here. I'm not buying anything, by the way. Are the snipers good in this game? They're pretty good. Some of the snipers are really bad, but the FJX Imperium is very clean, very nice. Aims in pretty quick. The sights are a little big, but it's very nice. It feels good to use. Sorry guys, I pulled up my Ethernet cable and it came out. Injecting mod menu. Toggling. But yeah, the snipers are kind of a mixed bag. Some of them are really nice, some of them aren't. That's a crazy start to a match. Shotguns, man. Shotguns completely ruin the pace of this game sometimes, but I know they have to exist. Like, it's like a necessary evil. Also, I love how me and that guy both did the same thing. I threw a thermite, he threw a Semtex. Oh my god, I just realized. I didn't see these guys. Nice. I didn't realize there was people here because no one ever goes here. Because it's so far. This guy with the shotgun's gonna be a problem. He might force me to use one. Yeah, if he keeps killing me, I'm gonna have to switch to the Guardian. Because, like, you can't win against a guy with a shotgun in close quarters. The shotguns in this game are quite crazy. I would say they are a little bit overpowered, some of them. But the thing is, some of them are really hard to use. Some of them are really powerful, it's weird. Okay, cluster mines are crazy too. Why does it have that much health and that much range? Okay, I didn't really mean to mantle there, but it's crazy how that guy almost didn't kill me. Yeah, this guy with the shotgun's gonna cause some problems. Fine. That's another guy using shotguns, so pizza time, enjoy. Watch how I'm gonna do way better now against these guys. Because we're on even playing field. Oh yeah, everyone's using shotguns, okay. I guess this is just a shotgun lobby now. I didn't want to, but sure. Oh, this lobby, man. That's fine. See, look at that. For a burst shotgun, that should not be a one-shot. Is he still in that corner? He wall banged me. Yeah, enjoy the pizza. You're gonna make me hungry. What? Where did my bullets go? I shot and nothing happened. Just because I'm dead don't mean my bullets are dead.
Enemy cluster mine detected.
What the hell? This match might be cooked.
High alert online.
Okay, where did my damage go? See, sometimes the shotguns just say nah. Like, sometimes the shotguns are insanely overpowered, and sometimes they're just like, nah. I don't want to do anything.
Enemy VTOL in the airspace. Throwing thermite! We've lost half the field.
Yeah, this match is going really bad.
Taking effective fire! Friendly Overwatch helo in the area.
It's kind of frustrating. I don't know, it's just not going good. This guy with the shotgun's just got good reaction time, I guess.
Thermite out! Look around! Reloading!
Hi, bro. Oh my god. I don't even know what to say to that. My teammate shot me and then died.
Taking effective fire.
I tried to slide. I slid too late. Well, I hope everyone enjoys their pizza. I'm not enjoying my match right now.
Throwing thermite! Friendly
Throwing Marmite.
station. Shit!
Like, I shot him first and it just didn't do anything. I just got unlucky, I guess. What? I don't understand. What's happening? This guy has double health. Like, what?
Enemy down! I'm your guardian angel. Throwing thermite!
Throwing Marmite.
Our UAV is orbiting the area. Ready for tasking.
What?
Requesting recon at my location.
Copy. UAV orbiting the AO. Recon is online.
Thermite out! UAV ready to deploy.
Be advised, UAV is exiting the AO.
Requesting recon flyover.
Copy. UAV orbiting the AO. Recon is online.
Loading. Don't do that again. All ready to deploy. Drop one. Standing by.
Be advised, UAV is exiting the AO.
Okay. I just went silent and locked in, I guess.
Target mark.
Solid copy, Phoenix 2-3 on
Oh, wait.
Scanning for hostile.
They're about to win. Maybe I should call both in. I'm not sure. I don't think we're going to be able to win, even after that. I think it's too late. I should have popped off earlier.
Target's dead.
Subtax incoming. Reloading.
I'm dead. Oh my god, I'm not.
Subtax.
Oh, that's so unfortunate.
Thermite out.
What? Where did he come from? No. Yeah, it's cooked. I'm not gonna even bother using my chopper gunner probably. I don't know. I'm more useful without the chopper gunner on this map, I think.
Target eliminated.
This guy does runarounds way too easy.
Phoenix 2-3 flying outbound RC
What?
Loading!
What are we doing, bro?
I'm getting stitched up!
UAV ready for tasking.
Reloading! Requesting recon in my location!
Copy that. UAV is on station.
I don't like this. The gun feels heavy. Yeah, this gun's it's like technically the best shotgun in the range, but it's technically the best shotgun in the game, but it has very bad damage fall off. So everyone just spams this gun on shipment. But because I kept getting shotgunned, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna switch to this.
I'm with you.
But if people push you hard, this gun's really good. The problem is they're not pushing.
Requesting air support!
Very manly. Thank you. Why am I saying thank you? I don't, that's not a compliment to me. I don't know. My brain's off right now.
Multiple hostiles down.
Why did the enemy team leave? That's weird. That's bad. Yeah, I'm getting no value from this now because the enemy team's gone. They're all just camping over there, I think.
Good kill.
Nice. Okay. Yeah, we're definitely not going to win this one. GG. You're so feminine. Thank you.
Compromised. We're done.
I wish someone would say that to me IRL. I wish it was true. That lobby was kind of painful. I got a gifted sub. We are so up. Yeah, thanks stuff for that. I've seen your Reddit. Yeah. I guess if you know, you know. I don't know. I sometimes forget that that exists. I mean, I don't actually post that much stuff anymore. Like you have to scroll really far back to see it. Mostly because like I don't really want to like show off. I don't really like doing that. I did a lot more on Patreon. You have a Reddit? Yeah. Reddit's kind of like the only thing I really use. Like as in like social media. Like obviously apart from YouTube. But I feel like YouTube is a different kind of social media. It's like more informational. Unless you're doing shorts, which is bad. Like unless you're just consuming shorts and brain rotting yourself. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the memberships. And thanks Surf. And also the people on Twitch also donated a bunch of subs as well. Been a really nice stream. But yeah, I did like a bunch more stuff on Patreon for a bit. And like I still occasionally post stuff there. And like I actually posted a build of my old game onto Patreon. Actually a few of my games. But obviously it's not free. I just thought it would be a nice perk for whoever like wanted to support me. But I think the game stuff is only for the highest tier. And a couple people did try it out, which was cool. Like the kind of intention was that one day I can do like cosplay stuff, but I don't know. Oh my god. Sir! What? Oh my god. 20? I recognize so many people. Why 20? Thank you, sir. But oh my god. Sir. Thank you for the 20 gifted. What the hell? 20 is a lot. That's a big number. I can't even count that high anymore. Thank you. Jesus Christ. What, like, what even brought that on? Thank you. Dude, I might actually unironically spend this on a tail. I'm so serious. Oh my god, I don't even know where they are. That's like more than 3? It's like at least like 7. Maybe 6, maybe 7. Sorry. Thank you, sir. I really appreciate it.
We've lost the lead.
For future reference, by the way, just for everyone, if you do !dono in the chat, it will give you some places where you can dono. I'm not saying this because I want more money, I'm just saying because people are donating and I want them to be aware of the best ways. YouTube memberships, I only get about like 60% of the money-ish, because YouTube takes a cut. Twitch bits, I'm pretty sure I get all of the money pretty much. And also, if you like directly buy something on like my throne, obviously, you know, you're just buying something for me, so I get all of that, obviously. I get 100% of, I don't know, monsters that you buy or whatever. So if you do want to be really generous, and you don't have to, I want that to be clear, but if you did want to, oh my god, this guy running around circles. Then yeah, there's different options, and some options I will get more value out of it. But like, even if you do like a YouTube membership thing, like I still really appreciate that. And it's not like, it's not voided money, because people do get use out of the membership. They get to see membership content, and that's like really cool. God. Oh, right on A. It does attach with a belt, by the way. It's a really good one. It's on Etsy, so like that's how you know it's quality. It looks so cool, and I really want it. Also, this map would be really good for long shots, I think. I just realized this is like super long ranged. You can go back here. We're losing pretty badly, huh? This is like getting close to that time Hellspring donated 200 memberships, because we've had like 40 or 50 today. That's like a lot, man. And it's not a competition. I don't want it to look like that, because I think that's like bad. I was too late. No. Okay, I'm just gonna accept that we're losing this game. It's going very bad, like really, really bad. I don't think my team really cares. I'm trying, but... Oh my god, it's because of all the snipers. Like, we can't move, and then we die in the middle of the open, and then the enemy team sweeps up. There's like at least 2 enemy people on the enemy team that are just sat with a sniper. And I guess it's because of the map, right? Because this map really is great for that. And also, I'm just not playing very good right now. Like that. The map's kind of bad for grinds. I got to go by, have fun rage. I'll try. I mean, but word. Thank you. Thank you again, sir. Thank you, thank you. I really, really appreciate it. And I hope you have a good rest of your day. Oh. Oh my god. Yeah, see what I mean? Like, because of stuff like that, I can't push. So, the enemy team definitely wins this because of the snipers. Oh my god, these mollies are really good. I'm gonna get mollied.
Friendly UAV on station.
Okay.
Changing mags! Requesting a recon at my location!
Copy. UAV is on station. Recon online.
Damn.
Throwing thermite!
Throwing Marmite. Unlucky, he got a hit marker.
Need swapping
UAV
mags!
bingo fuel.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I can't move, oh my god.
Just best serve cold!
Ready to deploy.
Requesting recon flyover! Taking
Copy.
fire!
UAV is on station. Recon online.
No, I thought I could go that way. I was just gonna run and bank. Oh man. That's so unlucky.
Thermite out!
And he banked it, wow. That's actually really unfortunate. Did he not know I was here?
Be advised, UAV is exiting the AO.
Oh, yeah, we're definitely cooked. I could take top spot while Emma is gone. No! Don't make it a competition. That's a bad idea. Because people might regret spending, like, too much. Why'd I stim? It's like an instinct. Just stim after getting a kill. That means I'm bad. I take too much damage. Bro, I literally just donated tags to him. That's bad.
Enemy Overwatch Helo in the airspace.
Hi, Emma.
Throwing thermite!
Enemy airstrike incoming.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit! Feel free to thank me later! Taking it back!
1 minute remaining.
Whoa!
How hard do I need to sweat just to stay alive? Oh my god. The camping is too powerful on this map, man.
Thermite out!
Being in windows and... Really? Just being in windows and different peaks that you wouldn't expect.
Enemy down! Just best serve cold!
What does that voice line even mean?
Seconds remain.
Accept it! I'm reloading!
GG.
On your six.
Stun incoming! Took a round!
Well, that wasn't the greatest of matches, but I still managed to level this gun up probably to max now. Yeah, like look at this. Even my team's doing it. Oh wait, no, this was an enemy, I think. Yeah, it was an enemy. That's why they won though, because they had people that were covering the whole area. That was a very bad map for grind. Like I think the smaller the map, the better for grind. What time is it? Okay. Yeah, I got this maxed. Mounted. Okay, I want to play a different game, but I don't know what. Why are we still awake? Why are you still awake? You go to sleep now. Go to sleep now. Maybe I'll play Need for Speed Heat. Oh, I actually got a really crazy car. Oh wait, there was also a mod I wanted to get. Let me go. Nexus mods. Actually, I'll do it another time. Make me? How? I can't make anyone do anything. People make me do things. Wrong way around. Like, what? Oh, did I disconnect my... Why did you get held for saying gay? What the hell? Like, you see gay people, you say gay, and it gets held by smart detection? Very dumb detection. Smart detection, more like dumb detection. No more gay. Oh my god, Twitch is against gay people? Confirmed? Where is my cable? I don't know where it is. I have a cable for my controller and I've lost it. Vanished. Go watch the superior content creator. It's okay, Samake. I'm currently trying to find a cable that I might not find. Let's get this out of here. What? Why do I have two of this? Okay, I don't think I can find it. Hold on. I found it. I'm gonna play Need for Speed Heat. It's a racing game. It's really fun. The stream might get a little different now, so if you're not interested, then that's fair. I'm gonna change the game as well. I think I forgot to. Oh, I literally see the Michael Reeves stream. Dog catapult. Oh, good thing I'm a cat. Nothing. Excuse me. Need for Speed Heat. Ba, ba, ba. And then I go here. And then here. Let me play my favorite. Hello. Wait, I want to put on Angel Tears.
Ventilator.
Hello.
Hast doth been a while.
It
Thou
has.
doth haveth a question for thee.
Okay.
Is it plausible that OSU skill can be seasonal? Like being unable to play during the winters and colder climates, but return better than the year beforehand with even better skill?
I think that's possible. I don't know for sure, but I feel like that could be possible. Because, I mean, even your emotional state depends on seasons. Like, there is also, like, seasonal depression, where people get depression, but only during a certain season. Normally winter, because the general atmosphere and vibe can be more depressed in winter. Because you're, like, lower energy. So, I think there could be a mental component there. Physically, I don't know. I don't think so physically. It depends. I mean, if you're in a cold room, then obviously you will play worse, because you literally need heat, like molecules are faster, whatever. Like, this is true. So if your room's cold, then sure. If your room's warm and it's winter, maybe there is a mental component because it's winter. But I don't know how much that would actually affect your rhythm game skills. I think at the highest level, it could be something to that, but I think also there's a factor where adapting to different seasons kind of comes naturally once you play long enough. So it wouldn't affect you over time, unless you did have like seasonal depression kind of thing. Like with depression, you just won't have the motivation to grind, which would make you worse. So if you're like actually in a worse mental state in a different season, then that would make you play worse, probably. Basically, that's my actual response. The response for that was all BS. I'm joking. That's what I think anyway. I don't think physically there would be much of a difference if your room's warm. Oh yeah, also this car is like broken. I'm not gonna use it. It's like really overpowered. It's funny. I think what car were we using? You know what? I'll go get a new car. Exit via the map isn't working. Oh, I need DS4 windows. Hi Valk, I hope you're doing well. Why are we going? What's happening? I got a couple more mods that make the game actually work better. But yeah, this car is a modded car, and it's like really broken. It's really funny. It goes to like 300 miles an hour. It's like actually insane. Let me...
Looks like you've been doing something right. We just got the big invitation.
Why are we ewing? Guys, what's going on? Are we fighting? Can we not fight? That's mean. I don't like fighting. That's like mean. What car should I get? I can get a Porsche. I want a customizable car. Didn't make me food. Who's meant to be making you food? Okay, maybe I'll go for this Nissan. Nissan! I want one with good potential horsepower though. This one's pretty good. Let's go for this. Oh yeah, this one's cool. This car feels pretty good. Best car in the game is Porsche 911 Camaro, I believe. I have no idea. I just kind of go on vibe. Well, the best car in the game is the one I have in my garage now because it's a modded car, but, you know, that doesn't count.
Hey, look at your new baby.
Uh-oh. What? Why did it take so long? Okay. I can give it a Ferrari engine right now. It has more potential horsepower. Shouldn't I do it? That's the wrong keybone. It's 100 worse, though. Does the turbo make that much difference? I don't know if I want to do this. Nah, it's probably not worth it. I should just go. Put these in. Put it in. Can someone hunt me down? Turbocharger. Let's go burn. Go track suspension. I don't know why sometimes it's taking long. It's not normal. Okay, this car is pretty good. It's not good at drifting. Oh, this has a clutch that's so good I can't even get it yet. What? Maybe I should go showcase differential. Just so I can drift a little. Let's go repair kit. And then let's go nitrous power. I need a paint. These ones are so funny, man. Wait, it actually looks good. It looks good until that loaded in. Oh my god, is that vanilla? Oh my god. It's vanilla! From Necropara. That's really cool art. Best car is the one Rage picks. So true. This is kind of crazy. This is like a GTA Online car job. Paint job. Necropara? Oh god. Necropara is a good game. I still need to finish it. I only finished a couple of the volumes. Is that Kaching? Yeah, it's Kaching. I actually used to main her. She's really fun. She also doesn't require any skill. Some of these are really cool. Monster. Some of these are really cool. I don't like the ones that have shit all over them though, because it's just a bit too much. Echo. I don't know who that is. Sensory overload. I also don't know who this is. Give me a simple one. Like, Jesus, what is going on with this one? Oh my god. This is crazy. That kind of looks like Watch Dogs 2 style kind of thing. Have you played Rocket League before? Like one time on my PS4, so no, not really. I don't really like Rocket League. Is this just white? Dude, this is literally a thing you can... Okay, whatever. I don't really like any of these. This is very, very simple. What is this? Android girl? I don't know this. Man, none of these are interesting. I guess I'll just go for like this one. I like the cards with a bunch of stickers. I don't really like them. I feel like it's just too much. I think I'm just gonna go with this one and make it black. Maybe we can do like a very dark blue. Sure. Yeah, I'll just give it blue. I'm gone. Are you going to sleep? Actually, let's make this a bit more visible. I guess so. Well, have a nice sleep, Emma. And again, thank you. I really appreciate you being here and with the gifted subs as well. I hope you have a nice sleep. Thank you for being here. Sorry if I said that too many times. Boy talks you into bed ASMR. Oh, you're not going to sleep? Oh, well, I hope you have a nice rest of your day either way. Oh, this car sounds nice. Bum, 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 bum. Having a shit day? Oh, I'm sorry. I hope your day improves. I hope this stream at least made it a little better. Dude, this Nitros is crazy, oh my god. Oh, the drifting is not good. That's what I was worried about. Thank you. You deserve to have a nice day. You don't have to thank me. Yeah, this needs better drifting. I mean, I can kind of manage it, but it's just not great. Oh, I used him to drift. Okay, wait, it's kind of doable. I'm gonna save my nitros here. And use it. Oh my god. Cracks nitros. Oh. Nice. Where should we go? Oh, 280. That would be pretty hard. I'll do it. Yeah, sometimes I just like coming on this game to like relax, so I might not be like super entertaining now. But I'm probably gonna just play this for a bit and then like sleep. But today has been really fun. Thanks to you. Point at everyone here with my 500 fingers. No, don't bite them. I need them to like play Mania. And also, I guess, to like live. It's not over yet, Andrew. But it will be in like an hour or two. I'm just gonna have some fun on Need for Speed before I go. Because this game's really fun to kind of relax on. Really casual. Oh my god, that guy just got consumed by a car. Oh, I'm so fast. Oh my god. Get out of here. Yes. Come on. You know, it's interesting because whenever I play like a shooting game, like a COD game, with bots on, it feels very bad, right? But when you play a racing game with bots, it feels fine. I guess it's just because the AI doesn't have to be as complex. And like, you don't really focus on them as much in this game, because you're not directly combating them, you're just trying to like, be faster than them. Oh, this car's got hands, oh my god. Well, not hands, but like, this car's good, I mean. Like, it can't drift, but it can turn pretty far before it starts having to drift. Yeah, this is a really fun game, especially with mods. It gets so much better with mods. I got so many mods on. Unite Heat is the biggest one. Great mod. Yeah, look at this. I can like just go. Oh my god. I thought I was tripping for a moment because I saw Polestar cars are full electric, but Google search proved me wrong. Was it an AI overview? Because you never know. It could still be wrong. Oh my god. Yeah, the drifting on this car is tragic. Great nitrous though. I just got a handbrake every time I drift. Didn't have to there though. I like cars, but I don't understand anything about them. Literally same. Like, I play racing games, and I'm like, cars are so cool, but I know nothing about cars. Yeah, they just go vroom. They go fast. They go fast and they also hurt people. Thread the needle. Oh my god. 170. I'm gonna go back to the future in this car. Oh! Tough drift. I don't remember. I forgot what car I brought. It's hard to remember. Easy win. I'm on the hardest difficulty too. I'm just that cool. Everyone say how cool I am. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna dodge that guy. Oh, there's a cop there. Let's just keep going. I do want to do that race. This car does feel pretty juiced. Oh my god. Just a couple G's, you know. A snap neck is nothing. I'll heal. I love going 200 to 0 in a second. Heat level 3. Oh, I got the high heat race unlocked. I'll do this one, then I'll do the high heat one. I want to get back into Factorio, my Factorio Space Age playthrough soon. I'm thinking about it. This car does have pretty good acceleration. I won't lie. Because like the thing you gotta remember is the AI in this game always has better acceleration than me. I swear to god, like always, no matter what. Like even if the cars are worse. But me being able to get to them this quickly is like insane. Oh, I'm going against the boss. Easy, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Yo. That's crazy. I just took that for that guy. He made me take it. I took it. It didn't feel good. I almost hit road spikes. Are you serious? Oh, he hit road spikes. Oh my god. Me personally, I wouldn't take it for other guys. No comment. Ow. I couldn't move. Maybe I should have just gone through the road spikes. I think it would have slowed me down less. You just got filtered for saying gay, by the way. Mahahaha. Okay, that guy is so far in first right now. Wait, do you get filtered if you say homosexual? Surely not, right? Okay, I'm not winning this race. I'll take second though, it's fine. Oh my god. They're actually against gay people, wow. SMH. Come on, Twitch. Well, I get a very comfy second place. I like everyone that is femme presenting. Because feminine things are cool. Oh. Ow. What do you mean, boo? I'm gonna get you. Uh-oh. No. No, my second place. Well, I guess it is what it is. It must be nice to make. It must be nice. I'm not jealous at all, I swear. Now I have to go all the way over there. Oh my goodness. Ow. Okay. Well, I'm on the fence. Like, after today, should I use the money to buy a tail, or should I wait for someone to buy it on Throne? That is my thought process right now. But I don't know if it's going to be out of stock by then. Whoa. I don't know what the likelihood is. Because it's a little bit more expensive than some of the other things that people have brought before. so maybe it's not very likely. And like, I shouldn't expect someone to. That's kind of mean. Like, that's kind of ego. I'm surprised people buy anything for me. Like, it's actually really cool, and I'm really grateful for it. No, I don't want to be mean. That's not the intention. I hope it doesn't come across like that. Yo, this guy. And for being mean? No. That's mean. Meanest viewers on Twitch. I ban you. We're the nicest viewers? Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh, because I said so. Nuh-uh, because I said so. Okay, give me 500 billion Great British pounds to prove you're nice. A small donation of generosity. Not so fast? Huh. Is there a problem? Nicest viewer on Twitch? You wouldn't be mean, would you? Oh, Jesus. Oh no, oh no. Oh! Oh my god! What? Dude, I did like 500 flips. Oh, I'm on top. Okay, I just topped him. I mean, what? Go. You're never hearing me say that ever again, by the way. Ever in my entire life. It's like the first and last time. I guess savor it, I don't know. Go, come on. Come on. Go, 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 go. I'll take second. I'm gonna try and get first, but I don't think I have enough time. No. I'll take seconds. Oh no, the on-screen celebration thing never works, I swear. Did it work? I don't know if it works. I swear sometimes it doesn't. Is there an on-screen celebration right now? I don't know. I can't see it. It worked? Oh, nice. You got an on-screen celebration. I never get to see it. I've never seen it before. Thank you for the 100 bits. Let's go. Thank you. You missed it? Aw. Oh my god, I got a Lambo. Wait, I kind of want it. Wait, I want the Lambo. I have a lot of Lambos. I don't know why I'm acting like this one's crazy. After this, I want to show you guys a car. It's the modded car I was talking about earlier. Where's the Lambo? Tesla. Okay. I think it was this one, right? Look at that potential. What? Oh my god. Thank you for the 71 chat. Fire, bro. Actually fire. Thank you. Thank you for the 10, the 19, 9, what are these numbers? Thank you for the 19 bits. I appreciate it. Okay, this one's slightly better, I think. Thank you. I appreciate the bits, teammate. Oh my god, this car's fucking sick. Oh my god. Oh, this is a car. I like this. Yes! I love Lamborghinis. They're really cool. Look at this, man. That's such a cool car. Okay, let's customize it. First, we gotta strip the other car. The Polestar. We gotta strip it for parts. I'm stripping the Polestar. Why does it freeze on the engine every time? What's up, Coily? I hope you're doing well. Welcome. You what? What? Is there something on my face? Is there something on my face? Age verification reference? Okay, this Lambo is gonna be crazy. You know what the craziest part is? I'm not even gonna try it today. I'll try it tomorrow. I want to show you guys a different car. Hope it gets shut down before it hits here. It probably won't. It's gonna happen. I gave up all hope now, to be honest. What kind of cars you got? Oh, thank you for following. Not much. I always delete my save and play again, like whenever I come back to this game. So I don't really have anything too crazy. I just like playing through this game story mode. I find it really fun. I do have a bunch of mods on though, so I have this really cool modded car that's like insanely fast. Like stupidly fast. So I'm gonna try it in a second here. I'm just putting these in. Yeah, this car, this Ford is like insane. There is also a mod that has like rockets on it, and I haven't tried that one out. Oh, I don't even know if I can make this car better. Like it physically can't handle that. Can I make this car better somehow? Wait, the potential horsepower can go up more? Wait, the current horsepower is higher than the potential. How does that make sense? I'm increasing the horsepower, but it's like already maxed. I don't think this does anything, but I'm gonna do it. Bro. What is max torque? I don't even know what it means. I'm kind of dumb. Yeah, it makes no difference. Okay, I'm just gonna show you this car. It's like insane. Let me just show you. What's the hardest race I can do? $280? 300? 280 there. I want to do one that has straights in it. Because straight people. Isn't there one that's like really good, like around here? I swear there is. Maybe this one? It's hard to tell. No. Oh, this one looks pretty good. Maybe this one? Highest amount of torque achieved when the engine is at its highest. What? I just say this has a max torque of 2000. I don't know what torque means. I don't know anything about cars. Anyway, let me show you this car. It's actually messed up. It's like actually really messed up. This is not vanilla at all. And it sounds crazy. It's scary. I forgot how to control this beast. Oh my god. Oh, the game looks amazing right now. Jesus Christ. This car is so messed up, but it's so fun. It's stupid, but it's fun. And it was like 30k. Like, it should not be that cheap. Oh. Like, how do you even control something like this? You just can't. Oh my god! I saw the light spawn in, like I'm too fast. Oh, my neck's broken immediately. Look how cool it looks though. This car looks amazing. It's like definitely the coolest car I've seen. Which would make sense because it's a modded car. I got the fastest car in the game. I don't know if it's going to be faster than this one. I don't think a vanilla car can go faster than this. Maybe the acceleration could, but like this also has crazy top speed and like everything. And like it still drifts surprisingly well. I lied. I lied. I completely lied. I just lied. It does not drift at all. Torque is just the amount of power that is used to overcome resistance going from movement to movement. Okay, so this thing, like... This thing has power, basically. This thing has crazy max torque. This thing does have, like, no resistance. Got up to 231 miles per hour. I think I'm about to go faster than that in a second here. 231's pretty fast for a vanilla car though, to be fair. I always used to just buy like my favorite looking Lambo and just use that. The Lambos go really fast anyway. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. What's the best spot in the map to get really fast speed? Is it the tunnel? It's probably the tunnel, right? To get the highest speed. The tunnel with the speed trap goes into the city area. I think that's the best place, right? Because there is another place that's like really far in the top left of the map, but it's really hard to control and go through the curves, but the tunnel's really straightforward. It just feels so nice to use this car. I think I got to 230. $236. I'm gonna lap them. Oh no! Never mind. I lost control. Wait, no, I'm still gonna lap them, okay. Oh, you don't have the ultimate parts, wow. Yeah, you can definitely go faster then. You can definitely go faster in vanilla. The ultimate parts are so annoying to get though. But like, it's kind of cool the way you get them doing the heat races. This game's a lot of fun, right? Like, I think it's... I mean, in my opinion, this is the best Need for Speed game, like, ever. I think it's a ton of fun. I don't think Unbound's as cool as this one. Although I do prefer the new game, Unbound. I prefer its art style, I think. But I don't think it plays as good. I hate the tier system. Forza Horizon has that too, and I hate it. It's so annoying. I feel like this game had the best progression. Although it was a little bit short, if you didn't do the story. If you just ignore the story, you blast through the game so quickly. Kinda crazy. They probably could have done with adding more repairs or something else. Maybe just more parts to the car. And also the auxiliaries, like the repair kits and the nitros and the like increased damage against police and stuff. Kind of underpowered. I wish it was better. Yeah, I think the best place in the game to get really fast is the tunnel over here. This tunnel here, where I'm putting my cursor. I'm jerking the tunnel right now. I think that's the best place in the game to get really fast. Let's go see how fast I can go. Oh my god. I am surprised Need for Speed Heat didn't have more cars like this though. Like, they're so fun. They should have added cars that can go like 300 miles an hour. Because why not, you know? Maybe lock them behind story mode, or you know, no, just leave them for online as well. Even though it'd be a mess. But like, it's just fun. Sure, they're really hard to control, but that's part of the fun, I feel like. Oh my god, even here I'm getting insanely fast. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna hit a jump. Oh. What? Okay, I went 250. How does Need for Speed compare to like Forza Horizon? So, Need for Speed Heat specifically has a different like tiering system to how you unlock stuff. Forza Horizon has like A class, B class, like stuff like that. I hate that system. But I will say Forza Horizon 5, the one I played, it felt pretty fun. I just really didn't like the progression. I've always preferred Need for Speed. Okay. Especially Need for Speed Heat. This game's always been my favorite racing game. Yeah, I think it is the Porsche. I've seen videos of that car going really fast. That car can get absurdly fast. Okay. Let's do it here. Alright, now we just follow into the tunnel, and I'll try and save my nitros. I already lost where I was going. No, I messed it up. It's so hard when you're going so fast. Okay. The lighting's glitched out in day. Look at the wheels. That's kind of cool though. Taking place in Japan is pretty awesome. But I feel like it might be a little cramped. Unless you have like some countryside stuff. Oh yeah, I'm just taking a break. I say at 200 miles an hour. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Here we go, here we go. Dude, my car is not staying on the road. Ah, I hit something. I hit a family of 4. They're dead. They're gone. They're dead. They are not surviving that. Rest in peace. Yeah, getting the ultimate parts can be tricky, especially if you're on like the highest difficulty. And the police are really annoying too, trying to get to Heat 5, dealing with the police. Oh my god! Oh, this is peak. They're dead. They're dead. They are gone. They're gone. They're dead. All of them are dead. Whoever was in there, they're not alive anymore. I would not be able to get into Heat while dealing with the police. It can be fun though. Yeah, they went into space. Because yeah, there's over here you can get really fast as well, like up by here. Let's go over here. There's like a really long straight over there. But it can get kind of hard to control your car. God, I love the FOV increasing when you nitro, so it just feels so nice. I want more oh my god. Where did he go? I want like more camera shake and stuff too. I think camera effects are so important in racing games to sell the illusion of speed. I mean, it's not really an illusion when you're going 200 miles an hour, but hey, you get what I mean. I'm not actually racing in real life, am I? Or am I? The art of camera shake. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, off-roading. Just a little bit. Minor detour. Stupid GPS. How did I not hit a single tree? This car sounds so cool when it's like accelerating. Like the screeching. Sounds so cool. I don't even know what it is. I don't know anything about cars. I love traps. Ah! Speed traps. Okay, so... yeah, this is the straight. So now we just go as fast as we can. What is a monster buggy? Oh, there's the... Okay, this is where you start getting speed. Oh, get out of my way. Yeah, the racing rules are really cool, right? Dude, I cannot stop hitting traffic. This is what I mean. This place is good for going fast, but it's so hard to control. This is where the speed comes, though. Oh my god, stop. Stop driving, guys. Let me just race against thin air. Oh, here we go. Oh, I'm just killing people. I'm actually just killing people. Bro, how many cars have I hit? Realism. Oh my god, I can't turn fast enough. You're counting the thousands. I'm actually like a mass murderer from just driving. Strongest car in the world. Just hitting people. Oh my god. Oh, the sea, the sea, the sea. Where am I, bro? I don't even know where I am. I just wanted to go to the coast, okay? Taking a nice stroll. Oh. I'm not allowed. Where even am I? Yeah, that car's really cool. I think that about does it for me. But I had a lot of fun today. I hope everyone else did too. I don't know if Emma's still here, just in case. I hope your day improves. And thank you for everyone that gifted memberships today and subs. Thank you, Surf. Thank you, Emma. Thank you, Samek. Thank you, David. I really appreciate it all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Amdri. SwiftF. Stream was very gay, 5 points. I'm allowing that one. It got blocked. It's just a regular buggy, but I call it a monster buggy because of how fast it can go. Getting a buggy to go fast is pretty cool. But yeah, thank you for everyone that stopped by. I had a lot of fun, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. I'm out of here. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. It was a lot of fun. Yeah, I will have a wonderful night. Thank you. Bye bye.